Day 27 of writing a poem a day every day for the next 365 days. It's your girl, A the Poet, and I'm back with another poem. Today's poem is based off this prompt. Wow! Bing. I have seen this piece of wall art on a regular basis, and today it just hit me. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and I just felt so inspired by seeing it. So I was like, let it be what, is the foundation of an amazing poem. I hope you enjoy it. I might fall in love with you. I might fall in love with you. Into the pools of your eyes, swim ocean deep, like I'm floating into the midnight sky. I might fall in love with you, safe in your arms, held steady and firm, no need to raise the alarm. I might fall in love with you, my smooth, cursive one. There is no more might. The deed has been done. Thank you.